Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We're going without a hat today because I just got done doing the news, working from home these days. Thank you to coronavirus. But I thought I'd come out in the garage because it's time to start work on this car, the E46. It's just gorgeous right there. Out with my best friend. Lifting our engine mounts to Jesus because you lift me up. Yep, here she is in all of her glory. She has been patiently waiting and waiting and waiting while I kind of get to some other cars before her. But I do want to tell you, I had to get her over here from storage. So let me show you that video right now because it certainly wasn't a straight shot. Here's what I mean. All right, we're in the E46. Yeah, the Beamer, and look how we're driving. Yeah, we're making it though. Missing a bumper, missing part of a headlight, missing a fender. Definitely need an alignment, but I'm just trying to get her back to the Monkey Wrench Mike garage. I guess I can you hear the wheels? Yeah, the wheels are so out of alignment they squeak. Yeah, this is the best ever. But we're making it. Lots of lights on. That's okay. I have faith. I have a lot of faith because we only have 106,000 miles. But I brought supplies, even old walking shoes, oil and water and everything else, and I don't think we're going to need it. I think we're going to make it. She looks better now after the bath, doesn't she? Yeah, she doesn't look bad. But as you can see, we got an issue. Steering wheel pointing straight ahead. Okay, even with the new control arm and all that kind of stuff that I put on in another video, which, by the way, you need to check out all the previous videos in this series. I call it the E46. So go back and look at the videos. It shows how much I paid for it, how I worked on it on the trailer in the middle of the winter. Yeah, in a parking lot. It was kind of scary. But anyway, we got it taken care of. And now we've reached this point where we can focus on this. Yeah, one wheel's going that way. This wheel's going this way. Not very cool, okay? What I want to do today, though, specifically is I need to change the oil because it was like way too full, which has me kind of worried about a possible head gasket issue, okay? I just don't know what's going to happen here, okay? So here I have the oil dipstick. Ooh, yeah. Okay? And it is, well, now it doesn't show any. Where'd all my oil go? Say what? Yeah, look. Uh-oh. Seriously, where's the oil? Is there any? Oh my goodness gracious. Do I have a leak? Wait a second. Wait, hold on. Is there a huge leak? I don't know. Maybe it just sat for so long that the oil was all at the bottom of the pan. Because when I checked it before I drove it, it was literally over full. Okay? Well, only one way to find out. We're going to get that in the hole first of all. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and give her an oil change. I need to figure out what the heck is going on. Okay, while she's draining, let me show you what's going on. Okay, this could be the reason why the wheel is pointed a little bit weird. See right there? See this? Yeah, that's supposed to be straight. We got a huge bend. Okay, inner tie rod, outer tie rod, inner tie rod, outer tie rod, and right at the middle, a bent rod. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got a sway bar link. Kind of messed up too. Look at that. See at the bottom, right there? Wait, let me put the little finger on the video right there. Okay, so there is another issue. That's another part we got to replace. Okay? I don't see other huge damage other than this. I mean, maybe the top of the shock. We'll have to see because I got that from another car. So we'll just kind of see what happens. But I got to get a couple of parts before we're ever going to get this wheel straight. Ooh, disco. Okay, so while we continue to drain the oil, we'll kind of give you a go around on the inside of the car. We're on the inside of the car, which looks okay up here. Okay, this the dash and everything looks really good. It's a messy car. We have a repair manual. We have an old license plate, and look, we have repair receipts, which makes me very happy. Ooh, Jackie Cooper as well. Okay, so Jackie Cooper. Oh, this was a girl's car. Her name was Christy. So Jackie Cooper, what did we do? We did some recall. We did some recall work, okay? So we'll kind of go through those and kind of see what's happening right here. What is this? Ooh, checklist from another girl. How many mileage? 19,000 miles. 19,000 miles on that one. So this is definitely a girl's car. Yeah, here's another thing. Oh, nope, Justin, nope, Shannon. Yep, okay, another girl. This is a girl's car. So we'll kind of go through all of these and see what it leads us to learn about. But I want to show you one of the issues I have. Okay, focus your attention there. Focus your attention there. And here it comes. Can you see it? Yep. Turn off the radio. Look at that. Yeah. This is tinted. And it's kind of a crappy tint job. Tint job. You want to see this one? This one sounds a little more. Yep. Okay. We got lots and lots of issues with the tint. There's a huge crease right here. So some people think this is difficult to remove. Not so, says Monkey Wrench Mike, if you have one tool. And I'll show you that coming up in just a bit. But inside looks okay. Turn this off. Don't want to drain the battery. Back seat. Back seat looks good. The top, oh, it's kind of insulated. That's different. Okay, cool. Yay. But everything looks pretty nice. It is grody. It is junky. And every car I buy, this middle part right here is always jacked up. Because people, I guess, try to figure out how to get it in neutral without the key. And they jack it up. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, we have repair manuals. Yay. This makes me happy too. Yep. Beamers. Okay, we're going to take a look at all this stuff. And we're going to come up with a plan. I've got to give this car a name too. Got to figure out a good name for this car. It's got to be a girl's name. Well, all cars are girls, but I love Janice. Yeah, for my 1969 280 SE. Janice Joplin, baby. So let's see what's going on. So we're going to read codes. Okay, evaporative emission leak detected. Small leak. Okay. Pending and current. So I got a small leak. A vacuum leak. Okay, that's okay. Probably from the accident. So let's see if we can clear it. Back it up. Erase the codes. Okay. And we are good. Okay. And it's cleared. Here we go. Okay. Now let's start it up and see what it sounds like. You want to? Let's see. New oil. Sounds good. Light bulb, yeah, we know that. Tire pressure monitor, yeah. Brake. Oh, okay. Emergency brake is on. Brake is off. Oh, you know what? I bet it's because of the accident. Yeah. So I got to check the brake pad sensor. I don't know how I'm going to do that one or why that's still illuminated. But over here, you will notice no check engine light. That's good. But she sounds good. Yeah, I feel naked without my hat. Okay, so the E46 coming back to life, still so pretty. She's a pretty car. Okay, we're going to get her cleaned up and looking even better. Got to get rid of that window tint because that is ugly. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Please like, please subscribe. See you later. Have a good evening and stay safe. Wear those masks, okay? Wear all of those masks. Woo!